time is everything when starting a business. That's why filingfox.com makes it possible to set up your LLC in just 10 minutes and 10 clicks. No need to juggle multiple vendors. You get everything in one place. This means less hassle, faster setup, and peace of mind knowing it's done right. Let's get real and take action. I'll walk through creating an LLC step by step, starting right now. First, I hit Start an LLC and select my state. Let's go with Delaware, a popular choice for many entrepreneurs. Choosing a business name is crucial. Make sure it's available by checking your state's business registry and the U.S. Patent and Trademark Office. I'll add LLC at the end, indicating the type of entity I'm forming. Privacy matters. Filingfox.com provides privacy by default, which means your personal address isn't publicly linked to your business. Instead, you can use FilingFox's address to keep your home address out of the public record. This is especially helpful if you don't have a dedicated office space. Plus, if or when junk mail arrives, FilingFox will handle it, letting you stay focused on your work. Next, I select the management structure, either manager managed or member managed. If I choose member managed, I'll enter my info. If I had partners, I could list their details too. This determines who will run the day-to-day operations. Then, you provide your contact info. Don't worry, you don't have to share your personal address. FilingFox keeps it private. They just need enough info to reach you if needed. After that, creating an account is simple, just your email and a strong password. This account gives you access to manage everything later, like adding optional services such as premium mail handling or trademarks. Filingfox.com offers more services that can be added now or later, depending on your needs. Once the paperwork is submitted and the state processes it, you'll receive an email confirmation that your LLC is ready. Starting your business doesn't have to be complicated. With filingfox.com, a few clicks get you set up fast. For assistance or questions, shoot an email to info@filingfox.com. Your entrepreneurial journey begins today. Let's make it easy.